To be honest, I didn't really think that creative professions such as musicians, designers, artists and so on would be affected by the development of machine learning and AI. But when OpenAI started to launch their different tools such as Dalle and so on, I'm not so sure anymore. If you're not familiar to these type of tools, Dalle, for example, can generate any image you want from just a text prompt. And they also have other tools that could generate large pieces of text from just an input. And this made me think, like, what can we make from this? Of course, this might be scary. If we can't beat them, maybe we should join them. This maybe can make the creative process much more fun and more efficient. And I wouldn't say no to that, but we'll see. At this stage of the development of this type of tools, you can make an unclear thought you have in your mind or an idea into a much more clear concept before you start designing or making it. So I wouldn't change yourself to an AI at this moment, but maybe it could be a tool to help us. First, I want to try to design a product based on an AI-generated image. Then I want to create a poster based on this product with different promotional text on it made from AI. And lastly, what really intrigues me is to see, can you make music from an AI-generated lyrics? And how bad or good will that be? I can't make music myself, but I think we have a solution to it. I'm gonna design a product with AI, and I want to keep it simple. So I want to pick like a product, and I want to just change it in a way. Let's take a coat hanger, and I want to make it into a cloud shape. And I have no idea really how this should be done, but I'm gonna trust the AI to make like a shape for me or to design it for me. So let's try. Before I've tried to put in different prompts, and I just want to show you because it's so cool. I typed in, for example, like a 3D render of a group of cute furry yellow monsters dancing salsa dressed as Shakespeare in a marshmallow world digital art. I made it as weird as possible. And then when it generated, I mean, it looks weird, but it looks cool and it looks real. I can't imagine like what the future will be if they can generate an image this good now. A video is just made by frames, which means in a couple of years, maybe we can do entire movies just from giving it a movie script. But to the point, we want to make a cloud shape, very hard to pronounce, a cloud-shaped coat hanger. And when I typed like a turquoise coat hanger shaped as a cloud, this is what I got. And it's pretty cool. I mean, one of these I could definitely use, and then I could do some own editing to it. And maybe I don't want to make it like solid in the middle, but I will use that cloudy shape, I will make it turquoise, and then I will just take away the middle part of it. I screenshotted that image and I put it into a CAD program. Then I started to trace out the outlines of this coat hanger and then extrude it to make it three-dimensional. After that, I make a circle that follows a path to make the hook, which makes a 3D component as well. Then I add smoother corners by adding a radius to it. And lastly, as I mentioned earlier, I want to subtract the middle part of it so it looks more like a coat hanger and doesn't require that much material. So I take that away and, well, I think it's done. I think I want to have it in different pastel colors like turquoise, pink and yellow. And next up, I'm gonna make a poster with AI-generated text and titles on the poster. So my plan is to give OpenAI some just text prompts to generate, for example, a title as well as some descriptive text about this product and some commercial-like copy to promote the different colors of the product. Then I will just put everything together inside of Adobe XD to create a simple poster. So now I gave this text generator the prompt, write a copy for a coat hanger shaped like a cloud, and it gave me, looking for a unique and fun coat hanger. Check out our cloud coat hanger, made of durable and sturdy materials. This coat hanger is shaped like a cloud and is sure to add a touch of whimsy to any room. Perfect for both adults and children. Our cloud coat hanger is sure to please. Order yours today. It sounds like a cheesy commercial, but it's probably better than I would write. So I'll just take the first sentence and make that into a title for the poster. Then I will add the middle part of it, the one with made of durable and sturdy materials. This coat hanger is shaped like Excel. And I'll put that into the poster as well. And lastly, I will add a description of the different colors. And I gave the AI the prompt, write a promo text for the color alternatives for a coat hanger, all in pastel, turquoise, yellow and pink. And this is what it gave me. Looking for a coat hanger that will add a pop of color to your home. Look no further than our collection of pastel, turquoise, yellow and pink coat hangers. These hangers will brighten up any space and add a touch of fun to your decor. So I'll just take this last part and use that in the poster as well. Now it's time to design the poster. And I won't be going through the entire design process here. I'll just show you a time lapse of the design. But it was kind of nice, because I'm not that good at creating copy, and it's much more fun to design the poster. Then I can let the AI make the boring stuff, and I can say the fun stuff for myself. I think it's kind of cool. Now it's time to make what we have all been waiting for. Can we make music with AI-generated lyrics? This is Rasmus. He lives just a couple of blocks away, goes to the same university as me. He makes music, and soon he will drop his first album. Today, he will help me create a song using AI. The song is about an AI that's been tasked with writing a song. It doesn't know how to feel or what emotions to convey. But it tries its best to create a melody that will touch the hearts.
Testa bara skriva Write the Baby Song.
The Baby. Så. I'm young on the come up, you need to see it. Är det här du?
Don't know man. Testa Playboy Cardi.
Swagging on a Tuesday. Smoking on a Thursday. Partying on a Sunday. Busting moves on right. And we'll do it all again on Sunday.
I mean, let's try it. Let's try it.
Nej.
Let's find a Playboy Cardi type it. Alltså basically om man vill bli en rappare så är det bara att söka upp massa jävla type beats och skriva musik. This shit's so stupid man. Okay.
Jag tänker, blir det skit då kan man bara skylla allt på robotarnas fel.
Det är det som är så jävla skönt. Det är som bra i musik.
Okej, let's go. Let's go.
Okej, det här låter trash.
Vad menar du? Nej. On a Monday swag on a Tuesday. Liksom Grammy.
Så här, jag kan inte skriva så här bra texter.
Men robotar kan.
Lane on a Monday, came swagging on a Tuesday, Cardi on a Wednesday, smoking doobies on a Thursday.
Det rimmar ju typ, det är bara för att släppa allt på dig.
Ja.
Smoking doobies on a Thursday, moves on a Friday, party on a Saturday, do it all again, do it again on a Sunday.
Det viktigaste när man ska göra en Playboy Cardi-låt. Adlib så.
What? Like my nolly.
Det är så jävla stupid. I don't know about this one man.
Är du redo?
Nej, eller ja. Men världen är inte redo.
Världen är inte redo för den här musiken. Det är sant.
Alltså hard dock.
Ja, det är bra.
Hard as fuck.
Made it on a Monday, can't be swagging on a Tuesday. Cardi on a Wednesday, sweating boobies on a Thursday. Busting moves on a Friday, on a Saturday. How we doing it all again on a Sunday. We keep it lit, like we don't even. Popping bottles like we don't even. Gotta have it
Omöjligt att man hade hört det här.
Bumping Cardi, on repeat. And we just wanna have fun. That's a night we need no sun. We keep going to the break. And we do it all
Alltså det är bara
again.
beatet som gör.
Ja.
Keep it lit like Magnolia. Popping bottles like Magnolia. We got the drip, can't be stopping. Man, we shawty, give me topping. Got a drip like Magnolia.